Hey, what's going on, y'all? I had to go. You gonna take a ride with me to go to my guy Greg at the wrap shop. One of my subscribers wanted his roof done, so I'm gonna go get a couple prices on for his roof for him. I don't know if you guys remember the wait, my boy JJ real quick. What do you want? What happened? Oh, them the same ones?
Yeah, I gave you. The nigga always be like, look, man. They sound good too.
Yeah, they sound alright. Oh yeah, damn, them shit's big.
Yeah. That was on a 1500.
Yeah, damn.
That's both of them, though. You see?
Yeah, that's
ones.
both.
Just got the cat. Yeah.
That's crazy.
For the box.
Alright.
Yep.
That's my boy JJ, man. That's the one that just hooked me up with this 12-inch sub kicker in the 1000-watt mono amp that I'm about to have set up. That's coming in another video though, man. But anyway, if y'all watched my video from last night, I did a 5 things I hate about my 200, and today I'm gonna do a 5 things I love about it. While we take this ride real quick to the shop. Alright, so man, got papers all over the place. Alright, so number one, man, the main thing I love about the car is the design. I love the design, man. It was one of the main reasons why I picked this car over 3 other cars that I was looking at back in 2015. I was car searching. It was this. It was a Honda, 2015 Honda. I think it was a sport model. It was an Acura TSX, and there was one more car I was looking at. What car was I looking at? There was one more. I think it was the new Impala. Not the new Impala. I'm sorry, the new Malibu. Now, the design completely took me away, man. That's why I got this car. I thought out of all 3 of those cars, this had the best design by far. Especially the interior. The interior is what got me. I like the dash setup, you know, the touchscreen, the button layouts, the seats, everything. That's why I picked this car over those 2 cars, because I was really considering picking that Honda. But I seen this car, man, and I decided I thought this car was the best car to get. Number two is gonna be the Alpine audio that this car comes with. It's not standard. You do have to get it in the package, but the Alpine system sounds pretty good. It's not, you know, it ain't the best, it ain't the worst, but it sounds pretty good. It's in the middle somewhere with all the audio people. It's got 9 speakers, 1 subwoof, I think, or it might be 8 speakers with 1 subwoofer, one or the other. They sound pretty good, man. You get a little rattle with some of the, you know, it's a Chrysler. You can't expect too much. So it does have a little bit of rattle. You know, I'm not too picky with it, but you know, I know some audio people, if it's a little bit of rattle, it's no good. But it sounds pretty good to me. Number 3 is the power. Now I think this car has a pretty good, decent amount of power. It came from the factory with 300 horsepower. Now that's crank. I know a lot of people be flipping out, oh, that car don't got 300 wheel. Like, I'm talking about crank. It's 300 crank. Actually, it's 295. 295 crank. But, you know, I got it up with the little supported mods and the bolt-ons. I'm probably up to crank, I would say 315, maybe, somewhere around there. You know, low 320s or something. But I'm gonna get a dyno on this car real soon. I am curious of what my power is now. But yeah, stock, it came with some good power, man. 300 horsepower. And you know, the transmission can handle it a little bit for what it is. If you guys watch my previous video, you'll know that I do not like the transmission on this car. But for the 300 horsepower that it come with, you know, it does what it needs to on a daily basis. Number 4 would be the, I like the seats, man. Seats are pretty comfortable. I love the S logo. I think the S logo is pretty dope. Haven't seen a Chrysler before this generation besides the 300 that had them on the actual seats. My 2013, I don't remember if that, I don't think that had the S logo on the seats, if I could remember. I don't think so. But yeah, man, I like the seats, man. The two-tone's all right. I would prefer a better blue, but the blue that's on it is all right. You know, it's got heated seats. If you got the upgraded model, or if you have a different package, you would have the cool seats too. So I think the seats on the 200s are pretty dope. Even the cloth ones aren't that bad. You know, it's a crappy cloth, but it's not that bad. They're still pretty comfortable. They're pretty soft. These ones have a nice little bolstering on the side, so they hold you in the seat pretty good. And if you're any person like me, I drive mine pretty crazy, so it holds me in my seat pretty good. So number 5, the all-wheel drive system, man. Save the best for last. The all-wheel drive system on this car, man, is great. I've drove this through 4 winters so far, and I have never had an issue, man. Never gotten stuck, not even a little bit. I'm talking snow up to like halfway to my door. I pull it right out, no troubles, man. Put it right in the sport mode, got right out of the driveway. Now, this is all-wheel drive all the time if it's 40 degrees or below. So what that means is in the summer it's not all-wheel drive. It's only all-wheel drive if you put it in the sport mode. If you floor it, you know, the system already recognizes it to put it through all-wheel drive, so you get that all-wheel drive feel. It feels like the car is launching from the back. I think it's 60-40. 60% power to the front, 40% to the back for the all-wheel drive system. I love it, man. I haven't had any issues with it yet. It's been doing very well. If you live, man, I'm from New York, so if you're anywhere near New York or any of the outbound states or cities, you know we get a lot of snow, and you need an all-wheel drive car, man. There's no such thing as having a front-wheel drive car, man, in New York, because it's kind of, you know, I mean, then again, the 200s front-wheel drives, I heard they drive pretty good in the snow, so, you know, I take that back. Certain cars, let's say, certain front-wheel drive cars, man, I don't know, I see a lot of cars fall into the ditches and stuff, so, for me, my personal opinion, if you're in New York State, man, you need an all-wheel drive car, man. There's no question, all-wheel drive. But this all-wheel drive system is pretty good. And that's all I got for y'all today, man. That's 5 things I love about my 200. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned, man. I got a new mod coming. I got a few new mods actually already here, but the main ones I want to get done first, those aren't here yet. I got 2 new mods on the way. We're gonna be doing a dyno soon too. Don't know exactly when, but we're gonna go to Burge and Webster, New York. If anybody knows where that, if familiar with that, Burge out in Webster, New York, where I'm from. It's like 15 minutes from my house. We're gonna go there and get a dyno done in the 200. I got some interior plans. I got some rim plans. So just stay tuned for those videos, man. They gonna be coming, and they gonna be good too. We gonna make this baby look good. We gonna have it ready for the summer. So appreciate it again, man. I'm out.